Unilever India Khamgaon facility is the first plant in Asia producing aerosol products like deodorants and antiperspirants. This plant produces products from popular brands like Axe and Dove, etc. As part of Unilever's Global Sustainability Living Plan, Khamgaon plant has implemented many sustainable initiatives like rainwater harvesting, turbo ventilators, solar energy for admin block and solar lighting. Philips partnered with Unilever India in their green journey by providing energy-efficient solar LED streetlights.
This factory is basically for production of deodorants and antiperspirant. This is basically a factory with 100% core design compliant with a lot of safety inbuilt features. We are also working towards Unilever Sustainable Living Plan, and hence during the designing of the new plant itself, we would like to put in all the design features which will reduce our carbon footprint. This factory will be basically producing aerosols and using chemicals like LPG and alcohol, and hence it's required that no unauthorized movement happen inside the factory. Hence the factory has to be well lit so that security patrolling can identify any unauthorized access. Unilever has an ambition of doubling the size of the company and reducing the carbon footprint to half by 2020. To achieve this ambition, it is equally important to reduce our overall consumption of energy which comes from the non-renewable sources. That's the reason we have gone for LED source of lighting, and on top of it we have used solar lighting so that the energy portion from the renewable sources also increases. We have a big design center called as Unilever Engineering Services Group. They have done a detailed analysis on what are the competitive advantages which Philips offers over other companies. We found that their product is really world class. We are using this product for last 1 year, and we have never faced an issue with this product so far.
Unilever was looking for the energy efficient street lighting solution for their new Khamgaon plant, and they have come up with the requirement which we have fulfilled with help of energy efficient lighting design to meet their lighting needs. We have provided the 43 watt green line LED solar solution to meet their requirement. We met all their parameters to beat the uniformity, beat the lux level and the most energy efficient solution.
I must say that the Philips lighting that has been provided here, solar lighting, is one of the best choices that we have made. Hindustan Unilever Limited has a network of about 36 units in India, and if all 36 units can start embracing this technology, it will be a number to achieve for.